Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and I have been given this bracelet to try to figure out the pattern to because the person who was making it, I guess, lost the pattern. I'm not sure exactly the details to it, but they've asked me to help them out. So we're going to rotate it to get it straight up and down, and then we're going to copy this little bit here and paste it around on this side. Let's move this over here. Maybe we make this just a bit bigger. Make it a little bit easier to see what we're doing. So I see that there's like 2, 3, like 4 knots. It does not go all the way to the sides? I don't understand why that would be. Two, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I was told that it's 10 strings. I presume that is right. Looks like we've got the bluish gray is on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. It leaves one off of the sides. This is a really unusual pattern. Let's get our paint tool. See if we can get this sort of tannish brown. It looks to me looks like our light brown goes like that and out. And at this point here, it looks like it's going all the way to the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here it's not going all the way to the edge. I guess that lines up with our top bit over here. So this row keeps going all the way. Well, it goes to the edge on the right-hand side, but it doesn't go to the edge on the left. See there. Oh wait, I see. We also hang on. It's really weird. Oh, and then it goes to the edge. 2, 3, 4. Under here. And so that means this string was going underneath this way. Got it. So yeah, now this one goes all the way to this edge, and this one coming back this way goes almost to the edge but doesn't. That means this string here yeah, this is a little bit confusing. I have to admit, like, this pattern is a little bit weird. Okay. So the darker one is inside here for these three. comes out, goes this way, comes back this way, and then is somehow both in here. So where did this one go? Oh. That might explain our one odd knot out here is where one of these has to cross each other. I think this changed and was out here more. And that way, that's why that one's dark. Yeah, it wasn't making any sense at first, but now it's kind of coming together. I have to say, I don't like the pattern at all, honestly. To be perfectly honest, the dark one comes out like it doesn't come even up to the end. It comes to like one short of it because of being on the inside the way it was. Like whoever designed this, it's kind of hard to guess what they were thinking. Again here. So this one follows along pretty straight and easy. Yeah, figuring out where the strings are underneath, relatively simple. Okay, so the dark one came through this way. This dark one comes out. Comes in there, and judging by this, it looks like it's this dark one here because it's crossing over this light one coming down this way. So there it is. And then this light one would go out and it would repeat from there. And it comes all the way out to the 4 of this side. Okay, well that's basically the pattern. I will finish filling this in. Before I go, quick thanks to my YouTube members for making this possible. The person who requested this wasn't even a member, and I'm still helping them out. It's not a big deal. If you need help with a pattern, you can drop it in over on Discord, and I will do my best to help you as well. So thanks for watching, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.